So we are now heading into Michael's. I haven't been here in a while because I got tired of coming. The store didn't have any stock. So let's go in and see what they've got. Okay, it looks a little empty in here. It's another store that likes to crank up their music too loud. Shelves are still empty. I don't see any sale signs either. It's the Cricket aisle. Cricket aisle part 2. Looks like they're unboxing some things. This is the planner aisle. See, this is why I quit coming to Michael's. They don't have anything. And there's no good sales anymore. And no good coupons either. I've been thinking about getting photo albums to store my clear stamps in. I don't know. I don't want anything fancy. And I don't want anything too big. So these are their stamps compared to what Hobby Lobby had. They have very little. Looks like they do have new paper pads finally, but they are not on sale. I want this one. Okay, so not much has changed. It looks like they are stocking up again. So I'll check back soon to see what they've got. Okay, a lot of the same stuff is in Five Below. It's $1 cheaper. So might want to check Five Below first, because I remember seeing those pencil sets in Five Below. Of course, they have the watercolor. They have the acrylic and watercolor in Five Below in the tubes. I'm not sure about the color pencils, but I know they have a variety of markers. And they have these brushes. So normally all of this is full. You see, there is nothing here. It's not decorated or anything. It looks like they are stocking, but still. This is a Saturday, and usually it's on and jumping in here. But it's not. Ooh, Halloween ribbons. Okay, so that's it for Michael's. Very disappointing. I'll try again another time. I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.